Yeah, I'm good. How are you doing?
Very well.
Wow, you're looking smart. This mustache look is really nice.
Yeah, man. It's there. It's there. It's there for something. But yeah, it's a new look for sure. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. So, what about the series? How it's going? How are the reviews? What are your
You know,
friends
I
are saying about that?
so the show is doing pretty well, Touchwood. And I think people are really enjoying it, and especially I think क्योंकि it's on MX Player, so the reach of the show is quite high in a sense that
Of course, of course.
a lot of people because for free and a lot of people can watch it. But the good thing with that, it being free, is that a lot of people are getting to see it. So we are getting to see a lot of comments from people about whether they're liking it, not liking it. You know, some people are not liking it, so some people are also liking it. So, but
Of
at
course.
least whether the reaction was good or bad is not important. At least reaction आ रहा है. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि कोई
Of course,
reaction ही
of
नहीं दे
course.
रहा है. हाँ तो that way I'm very happy कि there's a good reaction. There is a some positive, some negative, but overall reaction is there. People are watching it. The viewership is quite high. I think our trailer itself was beyond a million in some time. I don't know what record, whatever. Some really good number of views and all that because MX as a platform has a great reach. So got some great
Of
views,
course, of course.
and yeah. So I'm just interested in knowing ki what people are going to think of my portrayal as Roy in this MX Player show. Have you watched it, by the way?
No, no, not yet, but I'll watch it very soon. But
मेरे
I
लिए देख
was
लिया
not
है.
home actually. Yeah, sure, sure, sure. Pakka, pakka, for sure.
हाँ,
Bilkul, bilkul. I'll watch it for sure.
yeah.
Uh, Second question is, what was the prep you did for your character?
So my character is a very technologically savvy character. Like he knows a lot about the internet, the web, and the hacking and bitcoins, cryptocurrency, and all that stuff. So the thing is that I I did not. I mean, I knew about the. I mean, I used to use the internet, but very superficially. Mails, Google पे search कर लिया, कुछ video देख लिया, film देख ली, like that. Like most of us here, we'll write some stuff, use our and I never used to get into this stuff. So I actually read up a lot about the Tor
Okay.
browser. The Tor browser is, what that browser does is masks your IP. It masks your IP, and
Mm-hmm.
then you can be sitting anywhere in the world and you can pretend you're somebody else. Then I went on to these. There's some sites that I went on to, which basically you can access through the dark web. There's some certain
Wow.
sites which sell illegal items. You can access. Now the thing is, see, I am doing this as part of research, but I can do it. So the point is, if I can do it, anyone can. So our show Chakraview, while it's a thriller talking about the dark web, cryptocurrency, bitcoins, which is very, that topic is very topical
Yeah,
nowadays. At least through our show,
of course.
people will get to know कि ये चीजें हैं. They should be aware of these things and be careful.
Yeah.
That people can take advantage of you in so and so way. So there is that thing that this particular show can if somebody wants it can raise awareness, you know to sort of make sure that you don't fall down that pothole.
Yeah. So basically, you need to shift your, character towards more towards technical things, right? I mean,
Yeah, so a
you.
lot of my dialogues had a lot of technical jargon in it, and a lot of a lot of my
Okay.
dialogues had कि what am I जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ is very like has a lot of technical terminology and all that. So I didn't want to be somebody जो ऐसी dialogues बोल रहा है. So I want to
Ah,
understand मैं क्या
of
बोल रहा हूँ
course.
ना. जब तक समझ में नहीं आएगा मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ तो how will I know?
नहीं आएगा.
तो मैंने वो सारा कुछ रीड किया, वो सारा कुछ समझा, फिर ताकि अगर कुछ इम्प्रोवाइज करना है तो मैं इम्प्रोवाइज भी कर सकता हूँ. So that was a lot of prep I
Exactly.
did for this character because this character needed that kind of information about these kind of currencies and this what all is in the dark web, what all can you do, not do, how do you access the dark web. So I did all that.
So more of a like a theoretical prep you have to do, but it's difficult, यार, कि switch
नहीं,
करना एक
actually
technical
actually
चीज
it
पे
was
बहुत
actually
ज्यादा.
it was very interesting. It was very interesting to do this prep
Okay.
because the thing is also as a subject, reading about what all is capable and possible on the internet, you'll be surprised, huh? You'll be shocked to know कि क्या क्या possible नहीं है internet में. And people keep saying ना कि security risk है, ये है, वो है, but there is so much out there, and you really have to be careful. Like you have no idea कि मतलब कौन क्या कर सकता है. It's like that.
And we should really know this. So we should apparently watch this series for that purpose also, right?
Yeah,
हर
I mean,
purpose
you
से
should
series को
see.
देखना
मैं तो
चाहिए.
कह रहा हूँ, you should see it for the purpose of enjoyment. It's a fictional story.
हम्म.
There is nothing in this story that is actually happened. But मैं आपको ये बोल रहा हूँ कि शायद ये हो सकता है या कोई शायद कर भी रहा होगा. That is how
कर भी रहा
topical it
होगा.
is. शायद
Of course,
we
of
don't even
course.
know कि ये this is such a topical thing that we don't even know whether this is actually happening or not. But I do know for a fact that a lot of cyber bullying happens, a lot of cyber crime happens, especially पिछले 4-5 सालों में कितना और हो गया है. तो इस शो के जरिए से you can see what all is happening and how it's happening, and maybe better protect yourself. At the same time, it's an interesting story. It's a thriller story. It's got action. It's got some romance. It's got like a mystery. It's got all that kind of stuff. So at the same time, you'll get to watch an interesting show as well.
Of course, of course. Sure. मैं बहुत जल्दी देखूंगा और मैं सबके साथ देखूंगा, ऐसे अकेले अकेले नहीं. दोस्तों सब बैठ के एक साथ में ही देखेंगे हम लोग ये शो. सिर्फ
Yeah,
अकेले क्यों देखेंगे?
even if you watch it alone, it's fine, but just watch it.
हाँ,
No,
sure. Why not?
I personally feel whether you watch it or not, मैं आपको इतना जरूर कह सकता हूँ कि either you or your viewers, or people who read your article, ये इतना fast paced show है. Like it's literally 22 minutes an episode, and it's some 8 episodes, तो इसलिए का watching a 2-hour film यार 2.5 घंटे में आपका पूरा शो खत्म हो गया, like a binge watch. So it's not very dragging and long. So it's someone wanting some good entertainment, quick entertainment, free entertainment. This is definitely a good show to watch.
Of course. Sure. That's best. सेट पे कुछ ऐसे फनी इंसिडेंट हुए होंगे जो अभी आपको याद है, अगर आपको बताना चाहते हैं, so please let us know. We all want to know that.
यार हमारा एक बहुत ही मजेदार ईपी एडी होता था जो उसकी भाषा से तो लगता था कि वो बिहार से है, but when I asked him कि I don't know how to explain this. I said when I asked him कि आप बिहार में कहाँ से बिलोंग करते हैं आप, कहता सर मैं तो यहाँ रहता हूँ, मैं तो महाराष्ट्र हूँ, मैं तो इधर रहता हूँ बॉम्बे में. So I mean, I was like, this is the first Maharashtrian Bihari that I've
heard of.
seen.
Okay.
Because his dialect was completely Bihari in the way he used to speak, and he used to say he's Maharashtrian, so I found that quite funny. वो बड़ा funny था, but otherwise set पे यार there was Prateek was there, Simran was there. I made some good friends. I mean, I knew Prateek from before, but so working with Simran was great. Working with Prateek was great. It was a very good atmosphere on set here, and we got to shoot. Very importantly, इसकी कुछ locations जो है ये चक्रव्यूह की, we got to shoot in some very terrific locations जहाँ पे permissions easily मिलती नहीं है. हाँ, तो like some certain locations in this web series we've shot in locations जहाँ पे बहुत मुश्किल से permissions मिलती हैं shooting के लिए.
Okay.
So we got to shoot in some interesting places.
Wow. So वो एक अलग चीज explore हो गई होगी करते
Yeah, absolutely.
Really nice. So Shiv, I mean, you have worked like a very respectable years in this industry. Like from 2011, I guess I've seen you in Shaitan, and like it's 10 years of you in this industry. So what you want to say about an aspiring actor, that what he or she should have to be in this industry for so many years? What do you think? According
10
to
years हो गए यार. Someone else should have 18 years. I'm just feeling like a real bloody uncle यार. uh, the thing is that you have to be confident, yeah. You have to be confident about what you want to do in life, and you have to believe in yourself. Because if you think that सबकी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती है. Everyone goes through ups and downs, and everyone gets highs, everyone gets success, and everyone gets failure also. My thing in life is, how you deal with that failure or success defines you as a person. And I think that, you know, so what I mean by saying that when you get successful, don't let it get to your head. Because before you know it, you can come crashing down. Every Friday your kismat
Mhm.
badalti hai. So
Yeah, of course.
I think it's important to keep working. I think it's a responsibility as an actor to keep working, that when you go on set, you are giving your producers money's worth and more. You are being technically sound so that your lighting department, your cameraman, your director are able to get what they want out of you as an artist. You should know about other departments when you are on set, so that it can help you improve your craft as an actor. So all these things are there, but all these things I've learned along the way. Even I didn't know all these things when I first joined. पहले तो मैं भी आता था, हाँ यार, let's act and मजे करता था. I'm still doing all that, but I'm trying to learn about the whole process, because I think the more you learn, the more you'll be, you can get better in life. So
Of
I think
course.
that's very important. So
Okay.
I think, yeah, I think it's always good to keep learning. I like to keep learning. So I'm learning about shot direction. I'm learning about editing, different things. So it's
Wow.
interesting to keep learning stuff, I think.
And I'm asking these questions because I'm so much curious about this, because I even act. I'm an actor too, a
Oh,
theater
really?
actor actually, and
Congratulations.
yeah. Thank you so much. And right now I'm in Mumbai only, so I'll keep trying, so that I always ask somebody and some from this industry, so that I could get more knowledge about that, and
Yeah,
I
you
should
should,
just go for it.
you know, uh, Will Smith has a quote. There's a quote from Will Smith. I don't know the exact quote, but it's something like, it's easier to stay ready than to get ready. So what it basically means is, if you
Oh,
keep working on
of
yourself and
course.
you keep sharpening your skills, then when opportunity comes knocking, boom, you're ready. You're like, let's
Yeah,
go, baby. So you're ready. But if you are gonna start getting ready कि यार अब मैं डांस सीख लेता हूँ, अब मैं वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन
Mhm.
क्लासेस लेता हूँ, मैं थोड़ा बॉडी वॉडी बनाता हूँ, अब मैं थोड़ा ये करता हूँ, कि जब अपॉर्चुनिटी आएगी तब तक तो वो गाड़ी ट्रेन स्टेशन से निकल चुकी होगी. So my only advice to
Of
you,
course.
and not like you asked my advice, but my only advice for you would be to just keep working on yourself, and just you never know when you least expect it. They go, you get a boom, you get a great opportunity, and I wish you all the very best, and I hope that you do better and better in life, and you become really successful.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And in fact, I have seen your some previous works, whether it's Selection Day or it's before then that Khuda Hafiz also, and
Oh, you saw
Boss.
Khudafiz?
Actually, from Boss, I have seen you. Yeah, I saw Khuda Hafiz. Faiz Abu Malik, you
Yeah,
played the character of Faiz Abu Malik, right? So
yeah.
yeah, I saw all of them, all these films. And from Boss, I'm watching you, and then even I am, getting your, I mean, you're getting a recognition in this industry, and even I am able to see, yeah, I have seen this guy in many of the. So it's really nice. It's really nice. And again, we are going to watch in Chakravyuh.
Right,
So basically, these years, and you have worked with Mr. Akshay Kumar, right, in Boss.
right.
So I would like to know any one point और कुछ ऐसा एक इंसिडेंट अगर आप अक्षय कुमार के साथ अगर आपको याद होगा, काफी टाइम हो गया वैसे तो बॉस में आप लोगों को काम किए हुए. सो कुछ ऐसा आपको याद होगा अक्षय कुमार की कोई बात या अक्षय कुमार के साथ कोई चीज, तो अगर आप वो शेयर करना चाहे तो प्लीज.
Nothing. It was a real treat to work with him. Yeah, he made me. When you're working with a guy like him who's so disciplined, you realize कि भाई मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ लाइफ में, मेरे को थोड़ा सा और अपने आप को कसना चाहिए, मेरे को थोड़ा और डिसिप्लिन होना चाहिए. He is somebody who gets up early in the morning, goes to exercise, starts his day very early in the morning, is on time. He's like, in a sense that every producer's dream to work with, because he never goes over, but he'll make sure he finishes your film on time. Very disciplined. I mean, there are wonderful qualities he has. You know, he's someone to learn from. You know, and I really got to learn a lot from him. So very very happy and thrilled to have been given the opportunity to work with him, and would love to work with him again. So
Wow.
yeah, so definitely quite happy about that. He's very very someone, and I think every actor who works with him probably says the same thing. He's very disciplined. He's very, you know, he's, and that is a wonderful trait to have. Discipline. Discipline
Of
इतना आसान
course.
नहीं हो. Consistently being disciplined is very difficult, and he's been
Of
consistently
course.
disciplined, huh?
Yeah, from last how many years?
Very
25,
very
30
disciplined and
years.
very consistent.
So basically, that is the trait we all should have to be successful in this industry. To be
Yes,
successful in life.
you and me both.
No, no, of course, you are the senior. I can call you the senior most actor because you have spent
अबे
a lot
please
of
यार,
years in this.
क्यों senior most? I don't know what is up with you guys यार. Like, what do you mean
अभी
senior
तो
most यार?
मूछे मूछे
अबे
वगैरह भी
यार
आ
ये
गए अब क्या?
मूछ, अबे यार ये मूछ, ये मैं ये मूछ को मैं कोई अंकल थोड़ी बैठा हूँ यहाँ पे मूछ लगा के बैठा हुआ हूँ यार. मैं कुछ कर रहा हूँ उसके लिए, कुछ एक लुक में हूँ.
हाँ, वो
मूछ
मैं पूछने ही वाला था कुछ ऐसे अपकमिंग वर्क है
ये ना
आपका
मैंने
या फिर अपकमिंग
I
आप.
should have bloody put a scotch tape over here and come, because ever since this, but ठीक है, whatever it is, you know, the thing is that we as an actor now you have to do different roles and different characters, so
Of course.
it's okay. Even I find this mooch quite interesting. I won't say good or bad, but I think it's a very interesting look. So
Okay.
let's see.
Even Faiz Abu Malik had this type of mustache, right? In that
नहीं
film,
ऐसी
he
नहीं.
also.
Faiz की तो it was like that, this kind.
हाँ, थोड़ी सी ऐसी.
And यहाँ Faiz had a very different look यार. Faiz का look ये नहीं था. It was a very different look.
Okay, okay. What happened? Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, Shiv, for your time. It was great to have you us on Cine
Thank
Speaks,
you. Pleasure. I
and
wish you all the very
we
best in your career as an actor as well.
thank you so much. Thank you so much, and even I wish you the luck for your upcoming projects. And I
Thank you.
hope I see you always. And in fact, with the blessings, I hope to work with you in
Really? Oh,
future.
great. It would be my pleasure. It would be my pleasure to work with you.
Oh my gosh! Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.